This seems kind of odd. I haven't done this in a while. Little driving vlog action. It's been a couple years since I recorded one of these driving vlogs. Nothing really new done to the car since I last, did a video. It's still lower, blah 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 blah. Only thing that's new is this check engine light right here. All right, so nothing new. All right, let's focus here. All right, nothing new. Only thing new is this check engine light, which is my fuel pump. But other than that, I mean, everything else has been good. I kind of neglected my YouTube channel, unfortunately. There's no excuse. Let's put it that way. There's no excuse for me not to post anything. It was just laziness, okay? But it is what it is. I'm back. I got like 20 subscribers since posting my last video. It's pretty fucking late. It's nighttime, as you can see. I just got off work. I shot a video going to work. I hit every point that I wanted to hit, but I just looked back at the video and the fucking angle was just trash. Which reminds me, alright, I had to check if my angle was better this time. So I think I gotta figure it out. It was just sitting a little too high. We're good. Coming back, I haven't, like I said earlier, I haven't uploaded in a while just due to laziness. I'm trying to come back even better, even stronger. Again, nothing different about the WRX, same old shit. I got a new head unit that doesn't even play music, but I can't complain. It was free, so it is what it is. I have to drive around with the Bluetooth speaker now that I don't even have turned on because of this video, until I could get this fixed. Not even fixed, replaced, because this thing is just not working out for me. All I've been doing recently, honestly, is just shooting skids, taking pictures, and uploading as much as I could. Anyways, one thing I was gonna ask, I only have like 90 subscribers right now, but if I could get like at least one comment, I was gonna ask at least one of my followers what car you drive. You know what I mean? Like I want to see if I could gauge some responses down in the comments. It's been a while since I hit a car meet though. Like I gotta find like car meets. I don't know, the usual spots. I don't think people, I don't think those are going on anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna try to upload as much as I can. I'm gonna have some free time in my hands, so I'm gonna try to take advantage of that. So yeah, just look out for that. But other than that, it's been young Hefty the Don signing out.